Hey, it's Tom. It's Tom's Radio Room Show, and I want to do a quick video. I've been playing with this TEF6686 radio, and I really like it. I want to thank Thomas for sending this to me. And this morning I tried to I did automatic tuning and storing, ATS, with, I think, my best setup. I'm using my K-480 loop antenna with its preamplifier, which is right back here. I got it in the shortwave band this time. Sometimes I forget that because you can set up various bands that tunes a little different filtering sometimes. I forget because it doesn't come up as a default in shortwave. Anyway, so I did a scan and it hit. Okay, let me give you the parameters. I put the judgment mode in quantity. That means it's not going to be as selective. The other mode is quality, which it's very selective, and I've noticed that it didn't get a lot of stations, but they are all good stations, but it didn't get very many in that mode. The bandwidth is set to 3 kilohertz. And I got my computer off and my monitor off, so there's no computers on to interfere. And it got 76 signals. Now, some of them are not stations, and I'm going to try to go through those quickly for you and show you what it found. Here we go. Turn the volume up. Here's the first one. Nothing. 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 There's WWE. Loud and clear. Noise. Noise. Now that was, turn it down. Keep forgetting this is backwards. Okay, this is the time signal out of Canada. Now, band conditions have changed since I did the scan 30 minutes ago. So, not as good as it was 30 minutes ago. At least not on that station. Noise. Now there was hams in single sideband mode there. Like that. It's more hams. And they're broadcasting in AM mode. Actually sound like they're sending data. Noise. Noise. I think that's like radar. There's another one. There's a station, loud and clear. That's Preacher Man out of Tennessee. Loud and clear, unfortunately. Another one. WWV, loud and clear. I could hear the lady that's broadcasting from Hawaii, loud and clear. Nothing there. There's that, sounds like radar. More. Loud and clear. There's music, so I gotta take off it.
Writing and basically grafting this on, so it's
loud and clear. Yeah, it's a little weak. No. Noise. Noise. Trying to come in. I think it's a ham. Yeah. That's a ham 40-meter band. More hams. It's struggling, but it's getting there. Nada. Time signal. Now these were all very loud and clear 30 minutes ago. Sun's coming out. Trying to come in. Another 1 week. Time. See if we can heal it. Yeah, there's the lady. That's from Hawaii. Data. Loud and clear.
To do all the general support, we acknowledge it. And we have a small and hard-working team that cares deeply. We want our strength in our system.
Almost sounds like BBC. I'll have to look that one up later. Weak. Loud and clear. Might be China radio. Weak. Weak. Some kind of data. Weak. There's a weak station. Not too bad. Loud and clear. Weak. The weak station. Okay. Oop, wrong way. I keep turning this the wrong way. Turning the volume the wrong way. Pretty good. What did I count? I got it here someplace. Well, I thought I wrote it down. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 out of 76 that were real radio stations and not ham. Oh, that included WWV. So this radio is doing a great job. And it's only $80 on Amazon. I'm really impressed. Thank you, Thomas, for sending me this radio. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be a nice thing to do. That would make me very happy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.